Hello, and welcome to Young Learners, beginner level. In today's lesson, we learn numbers from 1 to 20. First, let's start with numbers 1 to 5. Listen and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job! Now, let's continue with numbers 6 to 10. Listen and say 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome! Let's move on with the numbers 11 to 15. Listen and say 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Brilliant! Finally, with numbers 16 to 20. Listen and say 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Amazing! Make sure to come back soon to watch another video or visit our website esleschool.com.